Hi friends, welcome to our channel Pharma Basic. Today we are going to discuss about Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So by the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, we can find out the pH of a vapor solution, and we can find out the concentration of conjugate acid or conjugate base. We can find out the ratio of conjugate acid to base or ratio of conjugate base to acid. So before going to discuss about the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, first we have to know about the what is acid, what is base, what is conjugate acid, what is conjugate base. So according to the Bronsted-Lowry theory, acid is which releases the hydrogen ion or proton. Anything which releases the hydrogen ion is called acid, or base. Anything which accepts the hydrogen ion, it is called base. And now what is the conjugate base? Conjugate base is nothing but acid after releasing the hydrogen ion, that is called conjugate base, or conjugate acid is base after accepting the hydrogen ion, it is called conjugate acid. So now we discuss about the equation, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for weak acid. So now we take a weak acid, as this is a acid, it is dissociated into a H plus and A minus. After releasing the H plus, it will become conjugate base. A minus is called conjugate base. From this equation, if we write the dissociation constant or ionization constant, Ka means dissociation constant for acid, is equal to H plus into A minus by Ha. Now we take the negative log on both sides, negative log of Ka, negative log of H plus we can write differently than after A minus by Ha. Okay. Now we write it in this formula like a log x into y. So log x, here H plus, negative log of H plus minus log of A minus Ha. So negative log of Ka is equal to pKa, negative log of H plus is equal to pH, and it is like as it is. So now we take the negative log of A minus by Ha left hand side. If we take the left hand side and right hand side, it will be pH. So therefore pH is equal to pKa plus log of A minus by Ha. So if we write in the name, pH is equal to pKa plus log of A minus means conjugate base. Conjugate base by Ha plus means acid. So therefore pH is equal to pKa plus log of conjugate base by acid. So this is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for weak acids. Now we discuss about for weak bases. Let's assume B as a weak base. In presence of water, it is dissociated into BH plus, it accepts the hydrogen ion, then after OH minus. So this base, after accepting the hydrogen ion, it is called as conjugate acid. So this is OH minus. Now we write the dissociation constant for this equation. Kb is equal to BH plus into OH minus by base. So now we write OH outside and BH by B. Now we take the negative logarithm on both sides. Now it will become negative log of Kb is equal to negative log of OH minus negative log of BH plus by B. So now we can write the negative log of Kb is equal to pKb, negative log of OH minus POH minus log of BH plus means conjugate acid, that is the conjugate acid, and B means base. So now we can take this log part left hand side. So right hand side it will be POH is equal to pKb plus conjugate acid by base. So this is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equations for weak bases. Now we write both the equation in same place for better understanding. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for weak acid. PAC is equal to pKa plus log of conjugated base by acid. And for weak bases, POH is equal to pKb plus POH is equal to pKb plus log of conjugate acid by base. So this is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equations. Thank you.